Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT2 and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list of toggles and locate the hotspot toggle. For me, it looks to be right over here. Now once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it. This will then give you this pop-up so you can select more, and this will take you to the settings. And here simply click on Wi-Fi or hotspot settings, and luckily it will automatically select the password, which will be randomly generated for you as it is for me. So obviously without going in here you have no way of knowing what it is. Now I recommend removing it and setting up your own new password, which needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can then click on the checkbox to save it. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing. Obviously, if you know some other things, if you know what they do, for instance like AP band, you can change it, but if you don't know what this setting does, I recommend keeping it as it is, along with most of the other settings. Now, there's also this option right here, use Wi-Fi 6. If you enable this and you at points encounter that some other device just doesn't see your hotspot, you might want to turn that off, just the same way as AP band. But I believe this might actually add a second channel, if that makes sense. So there will be like 2 signals instead of 1 as would normally be. So you might be kind of safe using this, but like I said, if you encounter that other device that you're trying to connect to this hotspot with does not see your hotspot at all, and then turn that off. Anyway, I'm gonna select the checkbox right here, and once you save the settings it automatically turns on, as you just seen. So there we go, it kind of saves us a step, but obviously you can turn it on and off yourself by tapping on this toggle right over here. There we go. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.